Fellas. 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Here we go. 3, 2. I'll make sure everything's good. 1. Hello. Welcome back. Good morning. I need to fix my camera. Ah, motherfuck. I can't. I have to go all the way around to do it. Oh, you dick. Alright, where this is gonna have to do it for the stream. I know you're gonna have to deal with that little. What's up, fellas? What's up? Yo, we had a successful Miami trip. That's all I'm gonna say. Successful Miami trip. And now it's time to get to the markets. We, as in me, because I was traveling, did not get to see silver dump 30%. Did not get to see the markets reverse. Did not get to see that much. But I will react off of it. Absolutely wild moves in the markets. I believe the government is in a shutdown now. I believe the government is shut down. Hi, hello guys, I'm live on YT. But without a doubt, let's go back into the markets and get our quick analysis done. It is now 9:30. As you can see, 9:30 is a fat rip up higher. An absolute no FOMO here going on today, guys. No FOMO. What am I looking at? I see a lot of relative equal lows. I see 9:30 ripping us fat into the upside. I also see Meta doing so unbelievably beautiful. My position is about to be hitting take profit. But I also want to see what gold is doing right now. Silver's up 3%, gold's down. I mean, gold's break even. The markets have been very volatile right now. I think there's a lot of opportunity, but there's also a lot of opportunity to blow your account. So we definitely don't be trading 9:30 off the bat like this. 100% not doing that. But what we do is we draw out point of reference, point of interests, where price action can rebalance and reverse off of. You can see we have that new week opening gap. See we have this high up here. But you can also see we have a lot of short-term highs that we can take out with low resistance liquidity run. You trade to the top of that gap right there. Look at that. Rebalancing it. I'm going to continue short, chat. I think it's rebalancing the gap and it's going to continue down lower. And I know it's hard to believe that after that huge manipulation wick prior in the AM. If you get your midnight open candle here, which is right here, you can see that we're a lot higher than we were lower for midnight open. And it doesn't look like it leaves this inefficiency wide open right here. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Let's catch it. Welcome back, brother. Thank you, brother. Anyone else having issues with Rhythmic data feed? No idea. I don't use Rhythmic. Turn the music down. Oh, is the music too loud, guys? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have a YT, guys. Benjamin SMC on YT. Guys, my flight, and while we're waiting for price action to reverse down lower, which that's a beautiful turtle soup right there. That is a beautiful turtle soup. Turtle soup. Look at that turtle soup right there. While I'm waiting for price action to continue down lower, I want to let you guys know what I had to go through tonight. My flight was originally scheduled to leave at 10. We didn't leave till 12. I got to the airport. I was supposed to get my bag and go. The crew wasn't there. The door jammed with the luggage. And I went home at 5 a.m. So I literally got back from the airport not too long ago. I'm a little tired. But we're good. I want to see what like everyone's saying the music's still loud. I don't know why, because my Go XLR is supposed to minimize it. But I guess it's because I unplugged it and plugged it back in. It's not set up properly. Yeah, it's still so loud. I'm trying to figure it out for you guys here. There we go. That should be better. That should be better. Yes, it is. Beautiful. Guys, don't engage in the markets right now. I know, I'm fixing it. There you go. That better, fellas? Is that better? Oh my gosh. The music, music this, music that. Oh my gosh. The music. Perfect. There we go. So what I'm looking at right now, chat, is this low to get displaced past. We just took buy side liquidity at an I-30. This could be the reversal high, the high that we need to take for price action to reverse back down to the downside. But to me personally, I'm not going to take a turtle soup today. We already moved a lot, right? It could easily consolidate, reaccumulate orders. See, if I would have took this turtle soup, I would have probably lost here. But it does look like a beautiful power of 3 here that we're going to get playing out. Is all the audio good, chat? Is all the audio good? Because I'm gonna crash out. I'm too tired for this. I did not have the worst plane ride of my life just to get back home and have technical difficulties. Yes, my code does take the consistency rule in the combine off and the eval off, brother. All right, thank you, fellas. So we're being patient. We don't want to be engaging into any longs right now, guys. I'm live on YT. We don't want to be engaging in any longs right now. That's for sure. That's for certain. We just rebalanced, and we're doing that one last leg of manipulation, rebalancing. We're traveling into actually the older new week opening gap that we filled out as well, overlapping here. And I guess what we want to see is price action trade back down below it. But let's grab a fib here and also see that we're close to a premium. Remember that daily is in a consolidation. I am not going to anticipate a reversal back up to all-time highs here. Where's midnight open? Bro, midnight. Meta flipped. That's interesting. A lot of the markets are down. Nvidia's down, Meta's down. Tesla's down, Google, Amazon good, Microsoft down. Very interesting how the S&P, the Nasdaq is ripping up higher here. I want to see it take a little bit more highs here, but show some rejection to the downside very shortly. Fellas, hey, everybody watching on TikTok right now, I'm live on YouTube, Benjamin SMC on YouTube, so go tune into that. Bearishness is going to hit like crazy, fellas. If this is going to be power of 3 and not an expansion profile, guys, we're going to start this week off with a cooking trade. Like, bro, if we get, let's just overestimate our stop loss size. Let's say we get it here and we even put it to like 50. You know what I mean? We hold it at least to midnight open, which usually gets re-referenced. That's 5R. If this is the high of the day and we reverse back down to the low of the day, that's 8R. But do you know what? That also comes because you don't need to target that many RRs. What you need to understand is we have room. So if you miss your entry up here, we have room. Just don't take shorts past midnight open, okay? Promise me that. No shorts past midnight open. Guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. What's up, 10 a.m. news? Yeah, and the fact that we're ripping up higher like this before 10 a.m. is kind of interesting. Meta's crashing here. Meta is crashing. Oh no. I'm still confident at the all-time highs. I'm still holding my position in there. Yeah, very soon, Pumex. Very soon, brother. Just have to be patient. Just have to be patient. What the market tends to do is it tends to, at 9:30 open, rip and make it look like you are missing out if you're not getting into the trade, and then it dumps. What it's doing right now is making it look so clean and obvious that you feel like you're missing out to give FOMO. So you chase into a trade and then you lose, and then the winner, and you're too scared to enter into the opposite trade right away, and then those winners catch that. Wait for the move and then catch, or wait for the reaction, catch a move, wait for the move, catch a reaction, whatever. You know what I mean. How do I mark out midnight open? You get a line and you go to midnight open and you draw it. Okay, daily clip. You're gonna get timed out for spamming that. I just answered you. Okay, I guess I actually have to do a demonstration. Okay, damn. Listen, midnight open. Find 0000, the time, which is this candle right here. You go to the open of the candle, which is right here. It opens at this price. You get a line, draw it out. Midnight open. No, midnight open is not different for everyone because everyone should be trading the New York time zone. If you are day trading and you're not trading the New York time zone, you're not being the smartest human. How's Miami? It was crazy, bro. It's cool to see all the people that I talk to and the trading influencers and people that I see on Twitter in person. And a lot of people are a lot more cool than I thought. Like I met up with Q Banks and he's a lot more humble than I thought. I thought like he would you know, walk past. He's like, oh, you don't have 800K on Instagram? Oh, I'm not talking to you. No, he was pretty chill. Be patient, guys. We're going to get that reaction to the downside that we want. Be patient. Yeah, he has a nice car, too. 63 SVJ. Did I get Tori's number? Why can't we use India Midnight Open? I mean, if you want, you can. Guys, you know what I also did? You know what I also did? I was so tired that I left my passport in my Uber. So now I have to go drive all the way to Brampton. To drive an hour off of like 2 hours of sleep to go get my passport. So, guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin, on YT. Yeah, I'm definitely not taking my nice car. That's for sure. Still ripping up higher, chat, but it is nowhere near 10 a.m. We still got a lot of time, a lot of room, and a lot of movement in the markets for us to be looking for something here. But do you know what we're not going to be doing? Chasing into a long at a premium with no 930 manipulation. Fellas, I need to ask for your advice. I need a niche. I go to the event and everyone's like, yo, you're the turtle soup guy. Yo, you're the 930 guy. Yo, you're this guy. What? When you think of Benjamin SMC, what does that make you think of in trading related? Is it turtle soups? Is it 930 manipulation? What is it? I need to get this. I need to get, is it power of 3, whatever. The helmet guy? Okay, you're banned. I'm kidding. Fishbone? Oh, great. Hey, race it. Okay. Christian? Oh my gosh. It's moving too fast. I can't see. The patience guy? Christian Trader? The Simpsons. Okay. Real ranch. The Korean hater. That guy knows ball. That guy's been here for a while. I still can't believe that this guy remembers that. I just hope you guys know that Apex Trader Funding is watching my stream right now. So I'm not gonna be saying anything too crazy. Hi Bella. Hi David. How you guys doing? I know now that you are lurking in my stream. I see you. Patience is everything, guys. Do not chase into the markets right now. If you try to catch a trade based off of a move that has already happened, if you try to capitalize off the markets when you see it start to do something and you're catching the last piece, that is not how you get consistently profitable. I'm gonna do this because what is my niche? 1 second, chat. I'm spelling some of these things wrong, but I'm dying off of tiredness. You guys don't understand how tired I am, and I still have to stream PM session before I can take a nap. Guys, live on YT, Benjamin SMC on YT. Turtle Soup, Power 3, Patience. Fine. Patience, guys. All right, new poll. Everyone vote up. Also, guys, I got some good giveaways coming up with you, and I got a new partnership announcement that will give you a lot of new giveaways with a very good firm. So expect a lot of giveaways coming up soon. Why you remove SMC off my name? No, I didn't. What are you talking about? SMC is still in my name. Brother, I'm already with Tradeify. Patience, eh? 50%. All right. Ending poll in 5 seconds. We're waiting for a push down, chat. Do not engage into longs. I know it looks like it's obvious. I know it looks like it's so... I want to get into it, but you missed. You missed the chance. I think the chance to get into long here would either be right here on that Turtle Soup, or down here. I think this is the last leg of distribution. It's not reliable to rely on price action to continue back up to these highs after doing all of this. So if you're getting into a long now, even if you're targeting this high, you get a fib from where you were to what your target is, and you're trading in the upper quadrant of the premium. You're not trading just in a regular premium. You're trading in the upper quadrant. So that should open your eyes. If you have FOMO right now, that should open your eyes to just tell you that, like, if you do that, you're chasing. All right. All right, end the poll here. Let's see. Let's see the results. 50% patience. Christian Trader 19, Turtle Soup 18, Power 3 13. I guess we are going to go with Benjamin SMC is the patient trader. Please find a trade. I need to pass an account. Abracadabra, oozagadu, give me a fat 4RR trade. Like, the fuck? Yo, Ben, when you gonna get... Okay. Not reading that. Guys, live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Ben the patient trader. Can you tell Lumi that I love her? You got it, gang. You got it, bro. Bro, you know what's funny? She wasn't at the event until she saw everyone's stories on how sick the event was. So then she pulled out like the last 5 hours of the event on the last day. But a lot of creators were there. J Dud, Q Banks, J Cap, Trades on Map, Dodgy, Brian Stonk, Max, Einstein of Wall Street, a lot of other people. It was really cool. Your screen. I'm live on YouTube, brother. News at 10. I know. We're about to be in a macro chat. We're about to be in a macro. I'm exhausted, bro. You don't understand. I'm actually so tired, and I still have to stream PM session. The grind is real. I'm somehow going to... Oh, wait. Guys, I totally forgot. I might be able to stream PM session just for a little bit, but no, Asian. It is my girlfriend's birthday today. I totally forgot. I was about to say I would stream all sessions, but I can't. ICT wasn't hated, but he wasn't talked about. That's for sure. Trading is not hard work. Okay, so you show me $10 million in payouts. It's not hard. You can't forget that. I didn't forget it. It just didn't cross my mind. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Patience, patience, patience. Do not chase into a long here. You're probably like, oh, Ben, you're so wrong. If I would have gone to a long here, you know, I would have been up like 2-3 RR already. Okay, you go and do that. All right, that's all you. And try to be consistently profitable. Try to be consistent doing that. Okay, and then I will see you guys when the trade reverses. Not all the time, but more likely than a trade continuing up higher like that. Most likely missed the move for the AM, brother. 10 a.m. PMI has not even hit yet. Guys, you're tight. You're spiraling. You're spiraling your mentality. You guys need to chill. Thought options on opinions on the things. It's crazy, brother. It's wild. Yo, Ben, if I can find an actor that looks exactly like you get me a funded account. No. Why would I need an actor that looks exactly like me? Fuck. These questions. Yo, Ben, if I comment on your stream, can you give me a funded account? Yo, Ben, if I comment on your stream, can you give me a funded account? Yo, Ben, if I comment... can you... I guess you guys can't hear the music. Is that better for the music, guys? Crack a Diet Pepsi. Yeah, I need a coffee right now. From Texas, I'm from Toronto. I use Tradeovate for my trade copier. Just got to be patient, chat. Just got to be patient. Let's see what we took now. We took all these lowers as liquidity run highs here, except for these ones up there. Up to the 4 hour, we are in this mitigation block. Back into this. Not inversion. No. Not really. Yes, inversion. We're in this inversion, sorry. We broke onto quite crushing. But I mean, if we close lower, that would still be good. Daily chart. We just traded into a premium of this range, so that's beautiful. Price action shouldn't be as bullish, and you can see it really isn't. It pushed one last time, and it's lacking a little bit here. So we'll see what it brings us. Guys, we have 15K subscribers. That's absolutely crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy here, chat. Thank you guys so much. I only trade with Apex, brother. For these sessions right now. How do you feel at the event that Toronto Traders taking over? Oh, the fuck, they ain't. I'm thinking I'm moving, guys. I'm thinking I'm moving. Florida. I realized the opportunity there when I went there, and I was like, I'm gonna move here. And it's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was all clubbish, party, high ego. No, just gotta hang around the right people. The trucker diet, I don't think I would need that one. Ben, you know Ben 10? Yep. Miami Trader. I was thinking Fort Lauderdale. Move to London? You're cooked, bro. No, thank you. I'm not moving to London. Get your beans on toast. Can I get some beans on toast with tuna? Tuna on my spud. The bottle of water. Dinner. Yorkshire pudding. I love my British people, but like, bro, how is your national dish chicken tikka masala, bro? Like, what is Hector going on about? I don't see his messages. They're getting flagged by YouTube. Move to Colombia? Guys, I'm feeling Miami. From your Indian Prime Minister. That's rich coming from the 53rd state. How many states are in the US, bro? 53rd? How many states are in the US? How many states do you think are in the US? For you to say 53rd. What are the... You might want to retrace that comment. We're being patient, guys. We got shorts coming up. DJR said it's a low that if you make over 10K a month, you're forced to go to Miami. I don't disagree, but I also disagree. What's your opinion on trading when there are news? Be patient. You can find opportunities before, but it's all about the profile, right? Sometimes the news is going to be the distribution. In this case, the news you want to wait for. You don't have any breaker structure to the downside. Cali, best everything, worst people. It's usually how nice areas go. But I heard this the crazy population problem in Canada with Indians is the same as Miami with Asians. I'm not saying there's anything wrong. I'm just saying an overpopulation. Losing 2 minutes. Yep. How's Miami? It was great, brother. Great. I didn't say Asians. I said Haitians. 80. I'm not black. I'm the mini King Poppy. You reckon it's a New York reversal day? I do think we're going to get a push lower, right? We have news in 1 minute, chat. 1 minute. What news? PMI, brother. 10 seconds. As soon as I take a max loss, it reverses. Brother. I mean, you shouldn't really be taking a trade before that. Before PMI like that. Ben, are you already on the 2 million payout? No. I haven't even started the challenge. What's up? What's up, brother? Guys, I'm live on YT. This guy's middle name is Patience. I'm telling you, brother. I don't take trades unless they're part of my model. Like you will never see me take a trade against my model. Like I wait. I'm the penguin, bro. I'd be walking in 40 kilometers in the right direction, in the opposite direction of what everyone else is doing until I'm right. I'm the penguin, bro. You gotta be the penguin. Pull up to Brampton? I am, because I left my passport in my Uber driver's car last night. Congrats on 15K. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Benjamin the Benjamin. Have you visited any country in Central America? Yeah, I've been to Belize. San Pedro. I was Miami. It was crazy. But I live in Barrie. Fuck. Heck. Penguin with discombobulated, bro. What? Big word for you, YD. Why are you not on YouTube, bro? Why are you not watching my YouTube stream? Guys, we're looking for shorts here. It looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. Just be patient. I look like a penguin? Fuck you. I'm telling you guys, you cannot capitalize off of anything in the markets consistently. That's the key word, consistently. If you don't have the patience and you know what you're looking for. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna catch some nice trades. You're gonna chase along and you're gonna catch a 8RR trade, and then you're gonna be like, oh yeah, this is my model, and then you're gonna trade it, and then you're gonna fail a few times and then scratch it and then go to a different one. You have to actually submit that every model will lose. Every model sometimes won't show up. Every model sometimes is gonna rip and you won't catch it. It's your statistics, it's your consistency that builds the profit, the P&L, not the chasing in anything. And realistically, there's not that much crazy of a move. Like, there's no fair value gap fill here. The only fair value gap fill in this whole range is here. If we were to be taking that, let's say at a stop loss connecting with this low back here, it's not that much, man. Not that much to be going tilt about. I think we're still gonna easily catch a nice short here. Was clip farming? I was up 3K. It retraced to my stop loss at 1.3K, and now my drawdown is 2K. Brother, are you allergic to trade management? How are you up 3K on a trade and it goes to your stop loss to 1.3K? Brother, you're almost up 3R and you let it go to full stop loss? That is not trailing drawdowns the issue, Hector. Yeah, you gotta break even at least. That was trade management? What? Oh, your stop loss was at 1.3K in profit. I was about to say, bro, that was insane. That would be insane. Guys, wait for the push down lower. Wait for the push down lower. 2,000 watching? I don't have 2,000 watching. What are you talking about? Holy fuck! Whoa! Yo, welcome to the stream. That's my first time hitting 2K viewers. Yes, sir. That's crazy. Hold on. I had to pause my TikTok live for that. Hello, fellas. Oh, wow, I lost like 600 viewers in 2 seconds. Okay, I guess you don't like me. Never mind. Damn. Happy birthday, Alex. Damn, we got some good viewers though, chat. I'll give it that. Thank you guys for joining in. You know what? It's the Miami trip. It's because we just came back from Miami. It's just because we came back from Miami. You know, the second you come back from Miami, that happens. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Just want to be patient. Just wait. I'm getting botted. Yeah, I'm getting botted. Why are you spamming hi? Yo, Camelot. Camelot. Are you sleeping? What did I get my girlfriend for her birthday? A Dyson Airwrap. ICT's in chat. Don't be playing like that. He's not. Damn, bro. Gotta be patient, chat. Gotta be patient. We have to be patient. Yo, YouTube is bugging right now. Chat, how many viewers does it say I have? $1K? Bro, I went to 2.2K to 1K in 2 minutes. That was insane. It says I have 1.3K on my thing. Look at this rip up here, chat. It's not sustainable. Don't be chasing. I'm telling you guys, you cannot be chasing. There's no. Okay, try to find manipulation at 9:30, chat. Nothing. Try to find at least a retracement for the expansion profile. Nothing. Right? For me, power of 3 or expansion. We didn't have this. We didn't have that. We just had that. Whoops. What the fuck? Hello? So don't chase. Don't chase. PMI. PMI was a consolidation. For a lot of you guys, the stream is very delayed, so refresh the stream, guys. Seeing people answer questions from a while ago. We are shorts. I'm looking for short, brother. I know. I want to see break of structure, though. I want to see the PMI lows to get taken. You gotta be patient, chat. If you want to do anything right now, you gotta be patient. Change music? I can't, bro. I get copyright. Bing chilling. I haven't heard that since middle school. Bing chilling. Yeah, I know. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna rip lower. Lo-fi is copyright as well. There's only a few things you can watch on YouTube chat. There's only a few things. Yo, whoever view out of me, L-mans, bro. L-mans. $5 chase off PMI. YouTube lately has been very buggy. I know. You're up 2K on the day. Nice, brother. When you pass the Apex accounts, no, you don't get billed monthly. Oh, no. Guys, live on YT. Benjamin SMT on YT. What's up, Danica? Easy long? Yeah, for beginner traders. This is just chasing. Realistically, it's not a sustainable long. You get into if you say easy longs here, chat, and you get into long anywhere here, you're not trading logic. You're trading trend. Trend is manipulated. Sometimes it's not, but it's not sustainable. Crazy day though today. crazy movement too. Look at this. It's absolutely wild movement. And I wonder what's driving the markets up this much. I wonder why Meta's pushing down so much lower. Falling through the roof here. Does your code work for all only one Apex? Nope, up to 20 of them, brother. Code Ben gives you 90% off on Apex. Up to 20 accounts. ISM numbers were good. I think at least if I'm going to look for longs chat, it's going to go into this fair value gap and turn up. But for me to take a long with no retracement, like 930 opens and we don't have any retracement. Like it's consolidation, expansion. And that's it. There's no retracement expansion. There's no profile in here. No profile. Yeah, it's back to normal, guys. I'm back to my 1.3k viewers. I'm back to my lovely 1.3k viewers. Welcome. Welcome, familia. When does it end? February 4th. So, in 2 days. Patience, fellas. Got 50k subs now? I know. I know we're growing like crazy. We are growing like crazy. We're going to be at, guys, we're going to be at 50k in no time. Guys, live on YT, Benjamin SMC on YT. When I say that, I'm talking about TikTok chat. Okay, Hector. My time frame's not on screen. Yes, it is, brother. Look in the top left. I'm telling you guys, sometimes it's the reality of patience. Patience pays, but not every day. But it's the trust in your system. Okay? The trust in your system. If you win. Yo! Change state of delivery. Here's another dono that you don't need, but how are you doing? MF just passed my first eval after exactly 365 days since I started, and you helped me so much master everything. Let's go, brother. I love to hear it. Thank you for the $10. Thank you, brother. Love to hear it, man. I don't know why I didn't get a notification on that dono though, but thank you. Congrats, change state delivery chat. One minute of gold. Just eating right now. The gold's gonna reverse heavy to the downside, chat. Gold's gonna push down lower. Whoa, hello, silver. This thing's moving so fast with one candle. Bro. This thing is moving like... What the heck? That's insane. Silver is so volatile. Markets are just pumping right now, guys. But again, it's not sustainable for me. It's not sustainable to be chasing into like this. Close your eyes and press buy. Yo, you guys are LARPs, bro. I wish I had $10. I wish I had $9. Pass my 5 evals. Let's go, Dad the champ. I was gonna buy 10 to 20 Apex accounts in full port CPI with no consistency rule, but I heard activation fees are expensive. Depends on the size. $75 per account under 150 keys. Bro, TJR is in short, just long and you'll make money. Bro. You worked in cyber, so that's where you got your money from, brother. I got my money from trading. You think I got my money from, what's it? From a $3,000 Canadian dollar a month salary as an account executive, as a junior account executive in cybersecurity at 18 years old? Gang. I don't think an 18-year-old in the corporate industry like that can scale up to the 100K month. You be trolling me, bro. I'm not the bad one. What are you talking about? Bro's yapping. I'd be up billions if cybersecurity would pay me like that. Literally, bro. Account executives make their money from commission and sales. Got my money from OnlyFans. Oh, how'd you know, bro? Just the messenger. Press my name. All right, let's see these guys' chats. Ready, chat? Let's rock out. 1,500 away from passing. You know I'm disciplined. Up 500, Do Ben. I'm trying to get like you. Amen. Bless you, Lamau. You seem like a nice guy, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, someone else said that. Okay, I thought you were talking shit. I was like, bro, what? I was like, you're a nice guy. What are you talking about? I don't know what the message, I don't really care if someone's saying that, bro. People talk, but do you know what they don't do? One thing I learned going to Miami, guys, is all these traders have haters. Traders have haters. The haters sit on their computer and they join people's stream and they go, and then the streamers get off stream, get in their nice car, live the life they've always wanted to, go and help people. Some of them do it all for free. Come back every day. I would rather be the guy that gets hated on but lives that lifestyle than the guy that sits with Cheetos in his belly button with his shirt off in his mom's basement typing hate comments to a 19-year-old. Goat funded trader? I've never used them. There's a fake TikTok account that's called Notification that says violation detected and live to avoid suspension. Brother, you're not funny. Wait, I'm still 19? I'm still 19, chat. Birthday's in March. So obvious, brother. You gotta do that to like teenage girls. Ben's been 19 for 5 years. Okay. You'll know I'll be 20 when I start balding. Okay. March 29th. We are ripping. I know, but it's unsustainable, guys. Rather sit my hands and watch it than chase. Yeah, bro, you getting old? I know. Bro, I felt like a baby at that trading event. I felt like a baby. I was the youngest there by like 3 years minimum. Like I go there and everyone's hitting the casino, right? I go to the casino with them and I go up to the blackjack table and they're like, can we see ID? Every time I walked, and I wasn't even gambling. I don't gamble. I wasn't even gambling. I just was there to watch. Can we see ID? Bro. Like, Everyone's going to get a drink. Can we see ID? Bro, I'm the youngest in that whole event. I'm the youngest creator and trader in that whole event, bro. And it's honestly like, okay, if I was like 1 or 2 years older, then maybe it would be perfect. But it's so annoying. And I have a baby face, yeah. But one thing I noticed, guys, going to that event, and I'm going to give you guys like real insight here. Real insight. Youngest person ever. Okay. For some of the people watching, a few people that will get successful and join the space with us. I got there and I thought it was going to be all like crazy this, crazy that. All these successful traders that are driving their Lambos and everything are like nothing special. Like really, really no competition. Like the only reason why they're there is because they've been doing it longer than me. Like going to that event and seeing like the biggest names in the trading space and seeing what they're like in person, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna be the biggest. I'm gonna be the biggest trader on YouTube in general, just in the world. It's without a doubt. I trade ICT concepts, brother. It was a good event, though. Can't forget the Miami course sellers. Chat, what'd you do when I moved to Miami? I dropped a $2,000 a month course. Ben, I finished your boot camp, but I'm still finding it hard to determine narrative and bias. I do my own analysis for your stream, but can't find the same areas as you determine the same bias. You need to use intermediate time frame more than you think, right? Intermediate time frame is more important. It's basically like the confirmation of your higher time frame bias. I'm stream today, most likely. Worst case scenario, I'll let you guys know in the Discord not because it's my girlfriend's birthday. Hey guys, I won't sell it. Next thing, you have an iced out chain, earrings, and a backwards hat. I am wearing an iced out chain and I don't have earrings. I used to, and I'm wearing a hat, so I don't get your point. No, I would never sell a course. You know what? Never say never. If I make like $5-10 million payout on stream live chat, then why not? You know, it could be very useful. But I just don't see the value on it. Like, I think I could teach everything I do for free. Like, I think everyone can get more value by watching my streams than getting a course. Cardi just dropped. The sun just came up. Hector spreading hate from Miami. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the hate. I appreciate it. We're getting a little bit of rejection here, chat, but again, I'm not going to be targeting all the way down here now. I mean, there's a possibility with the days that we've been having recently, there's a possibility that we can reverse the day. But I am looking for a retracement at least to this low here, like some sort of retracement. Started watching your bootcamp in November. I've been in almost every stream and I'm almost at my first pass. Thank you, bro. For real, this trading shit can change anyone's life. Let's go, brother. That's what I tell you guys. It's like, if you sit here and copy trade my trades, you're not going to see that much improvement. You might get a payout, but that's it. If you sit here and journal the way I think when I'm trading, you go and watch the boot camps, you go and watch ICT, you go and study the markets, you tune into the streams every day to see the way I think in different profiles, you're going to turn into a profitable trader yourself. You're the outcome of your environment. So if you hang around profitable traders your whole time trading, you're going to be the outcome of that. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Patience is absolutely everything. Do you prefer one of your boot camps over the other? The most recent one, obviously. Once again, guys, do not chase into any longs now. It's just so unsustainable. You should not be doing that, chat. You should not be doing it. I sent you a bunch of gifts on TikTok. What do you mean a bunch of gifts? Oh, I'm streaming on TikTok. Shit. Why? Why would you do that? I'm not even looking at TikTok. Thank you, Alex. Patience, guys. Look, we're getting a little bit of a push down here. Getting a little bit of a push down here, chat. Beautiful. My dream as a trader is to make enough to fund my gambling addiction. Facts. Bro, you should see some of the traders, bro. They're degenerate. Like, bro, trades by Matt hit the grand on a slot. Bro, he was doing like $50 spins and made 16K on a slot. Like, what? You always say beautiful, this is dog shit. Brother, it's the mentality. If I got into the charts and say, oh, this is terrible, this is terrible, this is bad. Oh, I'm having such a shit day. Oh, blah, 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 blah. You're gonna have a shit day. But if you get on the chart and say, this is beautiful, this is amazing, I'm gonna do so good, this, that, you're gonna think a little better. Ben, stop being so negative. Facts. We're getting a little bit of a push down here, though. Nothing crazy until we target some of these lows here. We need a displacement. We need a little bit of movement. Guys, are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? I haven't said use code Ben for 90% off on Apex this whole stream. Are you proud of me? No? Fuck you. I'm gonna flood your streams with promos now. Do you like my cake? I didn't eat it, but I saw it. Thank you. Yo, Camelot, you're federal, bro. Use code chat on Spotify. Yo, who saw my story, bro? So I'm at the arcade. And Brett max allows me. Brett is the co-founder. No, Brett is the founder of Tradeify. He comes and he's like, bro, here's max allo, and gives me 2 maxed out arcade cards, which will last me like 3 hours. I sit at the same machine. It's where you drop coins and make them fall and get cards that are worth 50 tickets each. I just spam for an hour. And I get 40 cards. I hit the jackpot twice. I have like 10,000 points tickets. I could get like something cool. Something pretty cool. And when I go to the line, I was like, oh yeah, this is way too long of a line. I'm not waiting this. So I go find a little kid. Not little, but you know what I mean. And I give him the cards. And I was like, wait, if you want double jackpot cards, if you want 10,000 tickets, you need to say use code Ben on Tradeify. And he goes, use code chat on Spotify. I was like, okay, just take the fucking cards. Shorts? Not yet, bro. Not yet. It looks like a beautiful fair value gap reaction, but we do not have the displacement that we need yet. Not yet. Don't be trying to catch tops like that. What did they talk about the event? Trading, psychology, whatever. What's your opinion on clothes? Do you dress fancy in your free time? I do not dress fancy. I dress comfortable. I think dressing fancy is a waste, bro, low key. All you need is a nice watch and a black shirt. Did I meet Terry Crews? I didn't meet him, but I technically met him. I was at the front seat of the everything. But I didn't actually go backstage. We're gonna get the Benjamin files. What watch did the trade owner have? He had the Pepsi, the Rolex, the Submariner, or whatever it's called. Kane, Trader Kane had the nicest watch. He had the Richard Mille. J Cap was wearing a AP. Tyler G was wearing the most beautiful Cartier watch I've ever seen. Like I've ever seen. And I actually might cop it too. Green alligator skin Cartier watch. He had the Cartier Santos, but with green alligator leather skin. No, not the Santos. Brother, it was so unbelievable. It was this. It was the Santos. I'm pretty sure. Brother, in person, this watch is crazy. Crazy. Alligator leather skin. It was green on green. Bro, oh my gosh. That thing was unbelievable. That was so beautiful. I might have to cop it too. It's not too expensive. It's like, for a watch, it's not too expensive. It's like, I could get a pre-owned one for like 15K. Jacob & Co. are so ugly, bro. Jacob & Co. watches are ugly. So guys, look at that 2-minute price action. If we displace below that willow, we're going to be looking for a short. We could be getting a short soon, chat. Looks like it wants to react up higher off that 5-minute. Bro, you're telling me these watches are nice? Ew. Like, what is that? Brother, that looks like one of those G-Shocks you can get at the Mastermind Toys. No. Like, this is G-Shock. Like, what is that? Patience, guys. If we get another rip here lower, we're looking for a long, but we're in that 15-minute fair value gap. It looks like it could just continue up higher, low key. Looks like the 15-minute wants to drag it up higher. We'll see. Break below constant crouch at that 15. We could look for some shorts, but we're at a very interesting point right now where if it's consolidating in between two PDs. Bought 50 accounts with Coben. Let's go, brother. I don't think you can copy trade 50, but you only do 20 at a time, but nice. That'd be man. Patience, guys. We got a little bit of movement here. Guys, live on YT, Benjamin SMC. I'm so glad I literally booked the right flight back. Even though it got delayed. Pat, there were only 3 flights to Toronto from Miami. When I got there, both flights were still there. The first flight was for 11 a.m. The second flight was for 3 p.m. Then the third flight was for 10 p.m. And I took the 10 p.m. one. And the 11 a.m. and the 3 p.m. one were still there. To make it worse, there's a spider on my wall. To make it worse... Fucker. To make it worse, bro, when the people that got delayed like 10 hours, got to the airport. Their bags got stuck on the plane for 3 hours. If I want to count with Coben, without Coben, oh no. Guys are rage baiters, bro. We need a little bit of a displacement to the downside here, chat. Am I from Toronto? Yep. Patience, guys. Patience is all we've been doing. We are still flat on the day. I'm loving this reaction, though. I'm not going to take it because we're in that 15-minute fair value gap. But look at that reaction. All right? Look at that thing. Look at that thing move. Off. We're in a premium, too. Reject off of it right here. Come on. Off PM stream, most likely. 1:10 PM Eastern time. Patience is everything. Guys, I'm eager to do it. I'm going to do it, chat. I'm going to do it. Everybody. Co-bet is 90% off on Apex. Sale ends on 4th. What exactly are you looking to see right now? An expansion to the downside below this low. It's like it itches my skin. It's like I have to say it's like, man. Oren, brother, you need to relax. Like, I know. I said 2026 and I've been traveling this whole year. You need to chill. It was also not something that you paid for. It was a free add-on. But I will do it. You just need to chill. Look at that beautiful fair value gap reaction. Do I do one-on-ones? No. Most of them are using ICT too. Yeah, most of them. Yeah, soon, Ryan. Look at that. Oof. Come on. It's boring, chat. I know, but you cannot chase. All right, you cannot chase. If we walk away with no entry, walk away with no entry, and that is better than losing. And that's better than winning against your model. It does look like it traded into that 15-minute fair value gap, then rips up higher. Beautiful market structure, fair value gap, unicorn setup right there. Pushes up higher. But to chase into a long here, chat, is not the move. Who's the richest guy I met there? Probably either Einstein Wall Street or some of the head people at Apex that make gazillions of dollars. Like gazillions. One second, chat. I already answered you, Rasmus. I said most of them. Some of them. What's the background music? It's just called work music for serious grind. Guys, there's nothing you want to be chasing into right now. There's absolutely nothing you want to be chasing into right now. We are getting a little bit of movement. Like, we're getting heavy rejection here, chat, though. That is beautiful. I do like it. Let's look at ES here. Oh. Okay. Internal range manipulate SMT. You can see SMT on the higher time frame as well. Could turtle soup that high. What though? All these low resistance liquidity run highs. I'm bearish still, chat. I think we could at least go to these lows here. Are you going to go to the World Cup? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, Rasmus, I answered you 3 times now. Rasmus Raz, I've answered you 3 times. Next time you ask that question, I'm gonna time you out, bro. Would I keep it your Robbins Cup? No, I think that's an ego game. That's a waste of time, and it's an ego thing. Who do I need to prove? I need to make money. I don't give a fuck about proving shit. How cold is it in Canada? It was so cold when I landed, bro. I started coughing when I walked outside. Like, it was so bad. What do they talk about at the event? Like, trading, bro. I don't know. Yes, if you blow your PA account, you need to do evals again. I know, it's so cold here. But we're getting a nice reaction to the downside here, chat. Beautiful. We have an SMT on ES as well. With these highs, we'll just mark out this high for SMT for now. And we have SMT here as well. To me, low key, I'm looking at this. Looking at that right there. Looking at that. Beautiful reaction. Okay, Rasmus, I'm timing you out, my man. I'm sorry, brother. You've asked the same question 8 times in a row, and I've answered them 2 times on the first one, and then you answered, then you asked a different question. I answer it, and then you repeat yourself 4 times. It was cold in Miami. It was pretty cold in Miami. I'm not in a short right now, chat. I'm not in a short. That's just a tool. We have beautiful SMT on ES there. Ben brought the cold. Bro, that's what it feels like, man. It feels like as soon as wherever I go, it just gets cold. Patience, don't get into a trade yet. We are in a nice little 1-minute inversion fair value gap here that you can see. We're reacting off of fairly well. Fairly well here, chat. I'm going to get into a trade here, though. Oops. All right, chat, we're going to get into short here. Beautiful inversion fair value gap reaction there. Beautiful body. I want to see this candle body down here below this low. If we can get a body below this low, I'm in short, or if it trades to my fill there. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be targeting this low at PMI. PMI low right there. That's it. Nothing past, nothing more. Just PMI low. One and done cut risk. We didn't body below it though. But I gotta wait for my fill now. No entry yet, chat. Hold on. Don't take the trade. Not the greatest reaction. Not the greatest reaction yet. I don't have Tradeovate open. Thank you for reminding me. Every time, chat, you guys are actually like, you guys are obligated to make sure that you guys are obligated to make sure that I have Tradeovate open now. Every stream I forget to open it. All right, we're gonna get a short here, chat. Come on, give us that reaction that we want to see. Give us that reaction that we want to see. I know you want to. I don't like the rejection there. It needs to give us a body down here for us to get into this trade. But we need to be patient, guys. We need to be absolutely patient. And just to let you guys know, Apex is 90% off with Koben. Gets rid of the consistency rule. I know I had to say it, guys. Getting ready for a trade here, so. If you are in need of an account, that discount does end on the 4th. Tradeify is also 30% off with Koben, Alpha Futures. But the best discounts with Apex. Come on. It's not giving good reactions here, chat. It is not giving good reactions. The lack of displacement. I know it's a beautiful inversion fair value gap. I want to see it push down lower one more time, invert this candle to the downside, then I'm in short. But nothing crazy just yet, chat. Absolutely nothing crazy. Yes, I think PMI low is beautiful. Just need a better reaction here. It's retesting that. Did my stream just end? Chat, am I still here? Okay. Okay, it soups this low. It's still not in the trade, chat. Like, I'm a big reaction guy. We're still not in the trade. Still not in the trade yet. We're hovering it, though. We are hovering it. We are hovering it very, very, very passively right now. And it's cut risk. Okay, guys? We're going to get in a short here. Come on. Give me a good reaction. Don't turtle soup it. Don't turtle soup it.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, finally. It took us like 2 hours to get into. Not even. It took us like an hour and a half to get into a trade. It did body below the low, so I'm not worried on it, turtle soup. And we have mitigation. We have SMT. They retested that 15-minute multiple times. This. Look at that. If it rejects right here, that's going to be the most beautiful breaker reaction I've ever seen in my life. But definitely going into this trade, it is cut risk just because of how much higher we are and how much we've already moved. Cut risk. But hey, guys, just to let you guys know that full risk is coming in a week and a half, chat. I know we've been waiting to go back to full risk trading since November. I identified that markets are going to be lower probability because of holidays and beginning of year and end of year. And it literally is almost time. Not the greatest reaction off the start. Not the greatest reaction off the start. We do have premium PD arrays. Versions. Previous candle highs and breakers. SMTs. Shift and structures on ES. Could have got a better entry, but I do think our stop loss is still protected. And like I said, even if we're going to rip up higher like crazy, I still think we're going to retest that PMI low there. I think that is a low that was engineered. And we're going to go test it. Guys, live on YT. Benjamin. Yeah, YT. If you guys are new, everyone hit that subscribe button. I live stream every AM, PM, and Asian session. Today, different, girlfriend's birthday, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. Been trading for 6 years. Also, if you want 90% off on Apex, which is $19 for a 50K, use code Ben at checkout. Gets early consistency rule. No consistency rule on Apex eval with your code, right? Yep. No consistency rule. What is PMI? I forgot the big word for it. It's what's the big word for it? Purchasing management index or institute, whatever. Right? Hold on. Trading. Purchasing managers index, not institute. Average RR per trade is like 2 or 3. I'm so tired, guys. I don't have a personal copy trader. I use Tradeovate's built-in copy trader, brother. I FOMO into a trade, brother. If you think this is FOMOing, you're crazy. I waited like an hour and a half. FOMOing is taking longs, bro. This is my system. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and I accept that and I move on. But if I lost a trade going against my system, that's how I get prone to blowing my account. And that's shit not a lot of you guys are going to understand because you just haven't been trading for long enough. Why not wait for the sweep of the highs? Because ES did. It's SMT. Tradecopia is awesome. Trade copy $40 a month. Brother, I just used the free one and Tradeovate. Look at that beautiful reaction. Come on. Give us a displacement below low. Whoa, the spider is moving. Bro, this thing is going to crawl at me, bro. Bro, what was that? I'm throwing everything in my room at it, bro. Don't kill it. Killing spiders in your home is bad omen. What the fuck? This is an Overwatch. I'm so tired. Next Miami trip? I might be moving there. Gravity Fallout comment. Look at that reaction chat. Beautiful. But I'm Christian. Is this if this is the same guy, hold on. Let me look at his channel activity. I swear, if this is the same guy that said I can't, like, I'm not allowed to, like, wear watches because I'm Christian. Guys, apparently I'm not allowed living in certain areas because I'm Christian. No, it's not the same guy. Miami's a demon's playground. If you hang around the wrong people, bro. Have you ever been to Miami? It's a great place. You hang around with the wrong people, yeah. Same with anywhere. Yeah, honestly, SolarX until I went there and witnessed it firsthand. Drag stop loss. Yeah. Yeah, I want everyone. You know what to do. You know the protocol. Spam W in the chat. Half risk taken off already. Where's all those guys saying that I FOMO'd into a trade and the trade was shit and the trade's terrible and talking like I don't get on here every single day and trade my system for 2 years. Been trading for 6. Like, FOMO. The trade was FOMO. Bro, why do I keep getting pop-ups, bro? Thank you, Dom. Guys, live on YT, Benjamin. No YT. Okay, Jeff. Guys, with all the weather changing that I've done from traveling, bro, my lips are like the most chapped they've ever been in my life. Ever. But anyways. By the way, guys, Apex is 90% off. Make sure you use code BEN at checkout. You get 0 consistency rule if you use code BEN. 90% off. Pass in 1 day. Lovely. Let's get a beautiful push down though here, chat. Let's get a beautiful push down here. Hit that fair value gap and rip to the floor. The PMI lows. Come on. Oh, we have a new 15-minute candle. Oh, let's see. Stop loss has dragged by 50%. So worst case scenario, we lose $250. We're good. We're good. We're Gucci. And that's why you need to put yourself in environments where you don't get upset regardless of what happens. That's by not chasing. 15-minute candle opens, rip. Come on. To the floor, not to the sky. Fall. Maybe that's the right word. We have a mitigation block here. So what do? I grab my stop loss and I drag my stop loss to the top of the mitigation block because price action should not re-reference that. That's also the top of the breaker. So it gives room for price action trade back into the breaker, then turn down lower. Maya, I know you're rage baiting. I've seen you in stream. Used your code and consistency rule still applies for Apex. Yeah, you're using the wrong Apex then because the consistency rule does not apply for the evaluation stage if you use code BEN. I don't know what you're talking about. You patched the method. Look at that reaction right there, chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Type 1 if you took this trade. Type 1. Lovely. We get a displacement below this low. We drag our stop loss to break even. Not a good reaction. Ugh. Not a good reaction. I always speak too soon. You speak too soon. We still manage risks. It's still a win. Da-dum. 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 Chat, I don't know about you, but I haven't been an investor in Bitcoin, but I'm buying Bitcoin at sub 65K. Reaccumulates there. And boy, oh boy, are we cooking. But never been a big crypto guy myself. But to me, that looks like an obvious buy. Same as silver. Chat, you look at silver. We have a beautiful reaction to the downside, by the way. Look at like you look at silver right now. It's down 3.58%. This thing is just falling to the floor. Brother. From its all-time high. It's down 60%. Oh my gosh. Silver isn't crashing for no reason. What do you mean? Brother, these markets are going to go back up higher. This is a fat, quick correction. They are going to go back up higher. It's just liquidation events, guys. Just trying to read shit. Wow. Wow, chat. Just an absolute insane. I'm going to go to the bank and buy some silver, guys. I don't know about you. And we're going to rip down lower here, chat. And we're going to rip down lower here, chat. We're going to hit a TP on this trade. I feel it in my bones. I told you yesterday while I was on the plane, I was like, I feel a TP. I feel a TP coming. That spider is fucking... That spider's moving. I can't kill it. Hold on, chat. Beautiful reaction. We get a body down here. We try to break even, chat. We get a body and we try to break even. Where's my chat? Oh, look at that reaction right there. Oh my gosh. Break even in the chat. We have a free trade now. Woo! What do you think about my next car? I'm looking at the AMG GTR. Look at that trade right there, chat. Look at that trade. We're almost up 1R. We're break even. We can still break even the trade, but there's absolutely zero risk today. With the day that we had, there's zero risk. Amazing. We did so good. We literally waited so long. Bro, I'm so happy with regardless of what happens today. Why not take partials? It's not at my point yet. AMG GT63S, definitely not as good as the GTR, brother. AMG GTR is so much better. Everybody hit that subscribe button right now, chat. I want to see everyone and their moms hitting that subscribe button. Everybody and their mamas. Everybody and their mamas. W risk management, thank you, brother. Hey, listen, worst case scenario, we have a break even. Worst case scenario. Like, that isn't a worst case. That is a W. Right? Hey, yo, fellas. I have a gift. Wait, hold on. Can't speak too soon. Need to check. Fellas, I have a gift for you guys. I have a gift for you guys. Hold on. Hold on, chat. This right here. Okay? This right here. It's called a Lucid Black card for Lucid Trading. If you don't know what it is, it holds one Lucid Black account. 50K. I'm going to tell you guys the code. And the first one to type it in gets it. Are you guys ready? Don't be typing me. It's whoever's fastest to type in. It's a 50K Lucid Black account. Ready for the code? The redeem code is all capital black dash 302 capital D 76. Congratulations.
Stop filled.
And we just got break even. It's all good. Enjoy the free 50K, guys. Enjoy the free 50K. We got stop break even, chat. I think that is my cue to walk away from the AM session. Give away a quick account, get to break even, walk away. Hey, I'm very happy with what we did today, guys. I am very happy. A break even trade is more than what I could ask for. So, fellas, we are going to be disciplined. We are going to be patient and we'll come back on a better probability day. On a better probability today. We're going to come back. Bro, these cornballs are typing the code in chat. Are you guys stupid? It's the discount code for the Lucid Trading account. Why are you spamming the code in chat? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's no way. These are your followers. It didn't work because that means someone got it before you. Fellas. I will see you guys. PM session. Great discipline. Great trading. We'll finish in prayer. And then we're going to end the stream. See you guys 1:10 p.m. Eastern time. Most likely. Worst case scenario, I have to get off. But we'll see. We'll see, chat. Why can't... Hold on. All right. Let's go. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins. And glory, praise be to your name, Lord. And if there's anything that we may be going through, Lord, that we can't see, that we don't know, and that we may be worrying about, please, Lord, take control and remind us that everything is part of your plan. In Jesus Christ, holy, amazing name, we pray. Thank you for everything. Amen. All right, chat. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. Great trading today. Great discipline. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.